Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm 𝗓𝗏𝗘 Daniel, as you always know me, Daniel. And in this video, I'll be showing us how to full backup your website using WPvivid. How to full backup your website using WPvivid. So, you know, I'm always giving reasons for every of my videos. So the reason you need to back up your website is just too much. You have a lot of reasons. Now, if you are somebody that uses the website for business, you know there is a reason for you to back up your website. So, and I don't want to believe there's anybody getting a website just to play with it. You are getting a website to boost your business profile. That's just it. And right now, I'll be showing you how to back up your files on your website using WPvivid. So WPvivid is a plugin that you have to install. So after the installation, then you can use this plugin to back up your website files on your hosting server. It's going to be backed up on your hosting server, so whenever you need it, you'll be able to download it back or restore it from your hosting server. Your hosting server is like a cloud server where you have storage. So you install WPvivid plugin, then you back up your website server on your hosting, your website file rather on your website hosting server. And after the backup, you can decide to download the files on your PC. Then you can keep it yourself, or you leave it on cloud. Nothing is going to happen to it on cloud. On your hosting server, nothing is going to happen to it, but you can decide to download it and have it on your PC. So right now I'll be showing us how to do that. So let me jump right into my screen and show us how to do that. So this is my WordPress dashboard, my website backend. So the next thing you want to do is scroll down by your left hand side, scroll down to plugins, click on add new plugins. So we are installing WPvivid plugin. So come to the search bar like this, type in WPvivid, it should pop up. Okay, let's see WPvivid like this. If it's not coming up, then look for WP main. Let's see, it should be among these WPvivid. It should be vivid. Let me see. The plugin is trying to hide. I don't know. So we have it here, guys. This particular one, migration backup staging, WPvivid. This particular one is what we are downloading. This particular one here. So click on install now. Once you are done installing, activate it. It takes you to your plugin, installed plugin dashboard. So okay, so this is it, the WPvivid dashboard. Now guys, you can see all the options here, but you really don't have anything to do with all these ones. Where your business is at is the backup, the kind of backup you want, as you can see. Okay, scheduled status disabled, yes. Now there are three types of backup. You can either back up your database alone, or you back up your WordPress files alone, or you back up both. But I always recommend this because there's no essence backing up database alone and you leave your WordPress files unbacked up. So I would recommend that you back up your database and files, which are WordPress files. Now it's asking you, where do you want to back it up? it's going to your local storage, which is your hosting server. So it will be backed up in your hosting server. So if you choose send back up to remote storage, then you have to enable the pro feature. So but you can still make do with this free version of the plugin. So you select the files you want to back up, which is the database and the WordPress files. Then this one already checked, leave this place unchecked. Now scroll down. As you can see, there's nothing here. So the backup might take time. It depends on how large your website files are. If your website files are not so large, then it shouldn't take time, and it also depends on the speed of your network, your internet speed. So guys, I'll be backing up right now. I don't know if I would have to pause the video if it's taking time, and if not, I'll have to leave it till it finishes backing up. So once you are done doing the settings, you hit the backup button. You hit this backup button and it begins backing up. You can check the progress from here. As you can see, it's telling me 3 seconds 7 seconds remaining. I think it shouldn't take time, so it's something I can wait. Let me just wait till it finishes backing up. So guys, that is just the way you can back up the whole files on your website. So apparently this website does not contain much. This particular subdirectory that I created, because my real domain is 𝗧𝗛𝗦𝗕𝗏.com. The shop mat you are seeing here is like a subdirectory. A subdirectory is like a part of your main website, but it's independent on its own. It has its own backend. You can install things. It's just like a website on its own, but it's a part of your website. I already have a video on that. You can go watch it. If it comes with this package, then you can watch it, and if not, you have to get it. Now guys, as you can see, the backup is completed. As you can see the notifications here, one backup task has been completed. So let's see. As you can now see guys, so it's telling me I can download it. So the file is on my hosting server storage right now, so I can decide to download it and have it on my PC. You just hit this download button, so the files will be downloaded to your PC. So whenever you need to restore it, you just come to upload like this, then you click on select files, then you select the files from wherever you save them on your PC. You understand? You select the files from wherever you save them on your PC. At times the files might be in pieces, like 2 pieces, 3 pieces, so you can upload them one after the other accordingly. You upload them according to their numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3. So that's how you can back up and restore your website, guys. It's something very simple, but make sure you pay attention to it. It's very important you back up your website. You don't want to be a victim of website crash. So, and we are able to do this with the WPvivid backup. So now guys, that will be all for this short video on how to full backup your website using WPvivid. So if there's any plugin that can also do this kind of assignment or this kind of work, then I would always do well to share the video. Do have a great day, guys. I remain 𝗧𝗛𝗦𝗕𝗏.